lady at the counter said there ain't no flights, and so he called her on the telephone. He said, I'll rent a car and I'll drive home. She said, I'll wait for you like I did last year at Christmas time with your family here. And your truck broke down out in San Antonio, and the gifts stayed wrapped until you got home. Oh, this ain't nothing new, sweetheart, I'll wait for you. Notes on his cell phone in Cookeville, talking to the one he loves and always will. His heart is breaking 'cause she's there alone. Her heart is aching 'cause she wants him home. She says, I'll wait for you like in '68 when our child was due, but you said you'll have to wait until his dad gets here and stands by his side. Remember when our son's first bride. Oh, this ain't nothing new, sweetheart, I'll wait for you. We didn't stop all day to eat the pie, and he finally got there around midnight. The doctor said she's in a better place. She said to give you this note just in case, and he said, I'll wait for you at heaven's gate. Oh, I don't care how long it takes, and I'll tell St. Peter I can't come in without my love and my best friend. Oh, this ain't nothing new, sweetheart, I'll wait for you. Yes, I love you too, sweetheart, I'll wait for you.